This video series is specifically created to help you understand what exactly is Dean Trading Framework and how it can help you improve your trading. It is a culmination of almost 16 years of trading experience, trial and error, making almost every possible mistake there is to be made in the field of trading, and refining my trading approach, which I am proudly presenting to you as Dean Trading Framework. The primary objective of Dean Trading Framework is to help you improve your market understanding and convert that market understanding into profitable trades in real-time markets. It is the correct mix of theory and practice so that you don't take a single step in the markets without knowing why you are doing it and what it is going to accomplish. So dive deep into this series to learn all there is to know about this complete and comprehensive trading framework that will guide you on every step in your trading. So what is Dean Trading Framework? It is a collection of core trading philosophies and advanced trading methods and tools that will help you a great deal in your trading. Dean Trading Framework is for you if you are facing one of the following problems. Lost huge sums of money by trading highly leveraged instruments like options and futures. Have been trading for a while but not able to crack the code of the market. Always jumping from one technical analysis method to another. And you think that methods like market profile, order flow or volume spread analysis are just too complicated for you. Or if you want to move on from the traditional technical analysis methods like trading indicators, moving averages and such. The reason can be anything, but if you want to answer the all-important question of why market does what it does, then you're at the right place. Dean Trading Framework is not going to be a one setup wonder or a strategy or a method that is going to solve all your problems. Instead, it will be a change in the way you look at the markets. DTF uses 3 layers of learning, and they are as follows. First one consists of advanced technical analysis, methodologies or core philosophies that will help you build a solid foundation on which you can build a very profitable trading career. The second layer looks at the advanced trading methods like market profile, volume spread analysis or order flow that will help you convert your market understanding into actual trades in real-time markets. And the third layer consists of managing risk using beautiful trading instrument called as options. This 3-layer approach helps you remain flexible in ever-changing market conditions. If the market changes, you will probably be amongst the first few who recognize the change and position yourself along with the changing market conditions. It is often what we have learned in the past that hampers or hinders our ability to learn new things. So, if you are ready to unlearn some of the ineffective methods that you have learned in the past and replace them with some of the effective ones that you can learn in Dean Trading Framework memberships, then I think you are good to go. In that case, there is a good chance that you can propel your trading career even higher. Okay, so what exactly is included in Dean Trading Framework? Well, DTF covers 4 core trading philosophies which will help you improve your market understanding. Add to it 3 advanced technical analysis tools that will help you convert that understanding into actual trades, and then a detailed study of options as your primary choice of trading instruments. Finally, a cold hard look at risk management in trading. You may have learned all these things separately from the respective legends in their fields, but unless you have a cohesive framework that puts all these things together in real-time market scenarios, it is still information and not knowledge. Then I realized that there is much more to trading than just discovering a brand new indicator or a trading method. It's just like giving a kid a new toy. I would get excited by the new method, but the first time I ran into trouble, I would then go in search of a new one. Until I realized that there is a specific structure to analyzing, understanding and trading markets. At least if you are trying to learn the markets. In the day, I used to call it the LCTR framework, which consists of logic, context, time, and risk. Okay, let's start with the first letter L, that is logic. It covers 4 core trading philosophies. And the philosophies that covered are Wyckoff market cycles and schematics, auction market theory, innovation adoption curve, and finally, the 4 steps of market development by Peter Steidelmeier. The next topic in the list is C for context. Okay, the tools that I use for understanding current context of the markets are market profile and volume profile. These are my favorite tools for understanding the current context. These tools will help you answer some of the very fundamental questions that a trader should ask in the markets. What the market is trying to do in this moment. What are the different time frames that are involved at the current moment in the markets? Now, trust me when I say that my understanding of time frame is likely to be completely different than what you think about time frames. After that, what are these different time frames trying to achieve in the markets? And finally, how successful are they in what they are trying to achieve in the markets? Because we will show you exactly how to get practical and usable answers to these questions from the market and apply those answers to take trades in real-time markets. Alright, the third topic is T, which stands for timing. While timing is important, it certainly does not come before logic and context. So what do I use to time my trades? Well, I am using volume spread analysis and order flow analysis. If you directly jump into the timing aspect of trading, you will keep struggling in your trading forever. As I said earlier, timing tools will only help you if you have nailed the context first. And D in trading framework will help you in combining the logic and context part of your trading and analysis to the timing part so that you can convert your market understanding to actual trades in real-time markets. Now comes the last topic, which is probably the most important one in this whole framework, and that is risk. If you also believe that putting in a stop loss when you are entering into a trade is all the risk management that is required, then think this over again. If you don't know how to assess, control, manage, and exploit the risk in the markets, achieving consistent trading profitability is almost impossible. I call it the Acme principle of risk management. Now, in D trading framework, we will be looking at many ways of assessing the risk, controlling and managing it, and then finally exploiting it via your trades. And all the time ensuring that a mismanagement of risk does not ruin your trading account. So many traders with great potential to become consistently profitable have given up on trading just because they ran out of trading capital. Don't let this happen to you. Now, why you should join D trading framework? Whenever it comes to promoting your courses and memberships, mentors and teachers, they try to highlight the features of their courses, how their courses are different from others. But in case of D trading framework, I'll give you an arithmetic equation, which if you can solve, your trading success is guaranteed. And that equation is improved market understanding leads to better trading decisions. Better trading decision leads to reduced trading mistakes. And once you start reducing your trading mistakes, consistent overall profitability is inevitable. So as you go through D trading framework step by step, you will realize that you are improving on each step of this equation. Slowly but surely, your trading results will start showing improvement. And one day you will realize that you have become a consistently profitable trader. But as with everything else in life, the real progress starts with the first step. And that first step is to reduce your trading mistakes. D trading framework helps you achieve exactly that. Often I receive the following feedbacks. First and foremost is the number of trades that they are making in the markets will go down drastically. Usually the trades that they avoid turn out to be loss-making trades. An intangible benefit, which basically cannot be measured in quantifiable terms, is the reduction in amount of stress that traders feel while they are trying to take a trade. And finally, the anxiety and impatience that traders feel while entering into a trade will go down drastically. What I'm sharing with you is all the accumulated trading experiences and learnings that I have gathered over a period of decade and a half of full-time trading. And trust me when I say that these learnings have all come from making mistakes in the markets. And not only making mistakes, but learning from them. And that is why it would not be an overstatement when I say that Dean Trading Framework is probably the most comprehensive course that is there on trading. Here you can ask me questions is my Discord group. The third place is asking me questions live during my member only live sessions or the open sessions that I conduct on every Saturday. Finally, you can send me an old-fashioned email on support@aniruddadeshpande.com so that I can get back to you as soon as possible. One of the most crucial aspects of learning these advanced technical analysis tools like market profile, order flow, and VSA is a good and reliable software solution that will help you learn and trade at the same time. So the software system that I'm using is as follows. The main technical analysis software that I'm using is NinjaTrader 8, which is free to use. On top of NinjaTrader 8, I'm using market profile, order flow, and volume spread analysis add-ons from a company called as belltpo.com. Now we will discuss these belltpo.com and their indicators in a separate video coming very, very soon. The company belongs to a dear friend of mine, and I believe these are some of the most reliable indicators when it comes to market profile, order flow, and VSA. Finally, to analyze the market in real time, you will need real-time data. And BellTPO, the software that I use for market profile, VSA, and order flow, have tie-ups with some of the leading data providers in India. I personally am using data from truedata.in. I have included all the links in the description below where you can go and check these websites out individually. But if you are going to subscribe to a Dean Trading Framework membership, you will get good discount offers on all these services. But you should understand one thing, that I am not a software provider. I'm using these softwares from these reliable companies, but all the questions related to support in regards to these softwares will be handled by individual companies and not by me. However, I will share my personal settings for these softwares with you when you join Dean Trading Framework. Now you can join Dean Trading Framework from the links that are given in the description below or going to my website aniruddadeshpande.com. Don't mess up the spelling, otherwise you will not be able to reach the website. So the best way is to go into the description and get the link from there. And if you have any pre-enrollment queries, just shoot a mail to me on support@aniruddadeshpande.com and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.